Have you ever really thought about your front door? It's more than just a way in and out of your home. It's a symbol of safety, privacy, and control. Every day, you decide who gets to cross that threshold. Maybe you open it wide for friends and family, or keep it closed to strangers. Sometimes you might even peek through the peephole before letting someone in. It's simple. You open it for friends, lock it for safety, and sometimes you might even double-check that it's secure before bed. Your front door is your personal checkpoint, a line between your private world and everything outside. You get to decide who comes in, who stays out, and what enters your space. In a way, it's your own personal border, protecting what matters most to you. Now imagine this idea on a much bigger scale. Countries have borders too, acting as the front doors to entire nations. These borders aren't just lines on a map. They're gateways that shape how people, goods, and ideas move around the world. Customs officials are the doorkeepers at these national front doors. They make sure everything coming in and out is safe, legal, and properly documented. Their job is a mix of detective work, hospitality, and security. Without customs officers, trade would be chaos. Imagine a world where anything could cross the border unchecked. Dangerous goods, counterfeit products, or even pests that could harm crops and people. The phone in your hand or the coffee you drank this morning likely crossed a border to reach you. Most of the things we use every day have traveled far, passing through many hands and checkpoints. Every single day, millions of goods, from computer chips to bananas, move across these invisible lines. Each item is part of a global journey, connecting people and places. Customs officials check the guest list, verify packages, and keep things moving smoothly. They're always on the lookout for anything unusual or suspicious. They stop dangerous items like illegal weapons or harmful chemicals from entering. Their vigilance keeps communities safe and prevents disasters before they happen. They also protect local businesses by ensuring fair trade. By checking for fake goods or unfair competition, they help local shops and industries thrive. It's a delicate balance, keeping things open for business while protecting everyone. Too much restriction can slow down trade, but too little can put people at risk. This work happens 24/7 at airports, seaports, and land crossings. No matter the hour, customs officers are on duty making sure the world stays connected and secure. The clothes we wear, the food we eat, and the tech we use all rely on this global dance of trade. Our daily lives are shaped by the flow of goods across borders. Customs professionals are the choreographers, making sure every step is right. They coordinate the movement of goods so that everything arrives safely and on time. They're the guardians of our global neighborhood, ensuring prosperity and security for everyone. Their work helps build trust between countries and keeps our world running smoothly. That's why we celebrate their work on International Customs Day. Because behind every open door and every safe delivery, there's a customs officer making it possible. Let's hop in a time machine and go back to when the world needed rebuilding. Leaders realized that to create peace and prosperity, they had to make trade easier and more efficient. Imagine neighbors agreeing on simple rules to share things. No confusion, no arguments. In 1952, a group of European countries formed the Customs Cooperation Council, or CCC. Their goal: make customs procedures uniform and effective worldwide. On January 26, 1953, 17 countries met in Brussels for the first CCC session. This date became International Customs Day, marking a new era of partnership. The CCC's creation was a promise that nations could work together to solve common problems. From that small meeting, a global movement began. More countries joined, seeing the benefits of harmonized customs rules. It wasn't about giving up control, it was about building stronger economic ties. The CCC was a monumental step toward a more connected world. That small club of 17 countries didn't stay small for long. What began as a modest gathering of customs officials, united by a shared vision, quickly started to attract attention from around the world. The CCC grew rapidly, welcoming members from every continent. Soon, nations from Africa, Asia, the Americas, and beyond joined the movement, eager to collaborate and shape the future of global trade. By the 1990s, global trade was more complex than ever, with new technologies, faster shipping, and more goods crossing borders every day. The CCC realized it needed a new identity to reflect its expanded mission and global reach. In 1994, it became the World Customs Organization, or WCO. Today, the WCO brings together over 185 member countries, representing more than 98% of world trade. Its influence touches nearly every product that crosses a border. The WCO sets global standards, provides training, and helps members tackle new challenges, like digitalization, security threats, and environmental protection. It's a hub for innovation and cooperation. Its slogan, "Borders divide, customs connects," reminds us that customs work is about building connections, not just enforcing rules. The first International Customs Day was celebrated in 1983, marking the CCC's 30th anniversary. It was a moment to honor the people behind the progress. Every January 26th, customs officers worldwide are honored for their achievements, dedication, and service to their countries and the global community. It's a day to reflect on progress, from a small meeting in Brussels to a global force for prosperity, security, and cooperation. The WCO is now a powerhouse for good, building bridges between nations, fostering trust, and making international trade smoother and safer for everyone. Customs officers are recognized for their vital role in global trade, ensuring goods move efficiently while protecting societies from risks. International Customs Day is a reminder of how far we've come, and how customs work shapes our daily lives in ways we often don't see, and how much further we can go together as we continue to connect the world, one border at a time. When we think of heroes, we often picture capes and uniforms, but some heroes work quietly at our borders, far from the spotlight. These are the men and women who dedicate their lives to keeping our countries safe and our economies thriving, often without recognition or fanfare. Customs officials ensure billions in goods cross borders smoothly, keeping businesses running and prices stable. Every day, they manage a complex flow of products, from food and medicine to electronics and clothing, making sure shelves stay stocked and industries keep moving. But their job is about more than speed. It's about safety. They carefully inspect shipments and luggage, using advanced technology and sharp instincts to spot anything unusual or dangerous. They're the first line of defense against illegal goods, from drugs to counterfeit medicines and weapons. Their vigilance stops harmful items from reaching our communities and protects us from risks we might never even know existed. Their vigilance protects us from threats we may never see. Whether it's late at night or during busy holiday seasons, they remain alert, ready to respond to any challenge. Customs officers also safeguard our culture and environment, stopping illegal wildlife trade and preserving heritage. They prevent rare animals and priceless artifacts from being smuggled, helping to protect our planet's biodiversity and our shared history. They collect tariffs and taxes, funding essential public services like schools and hospitals. The revenue they generate supports the very foundations of our society, making sure everyone benefits from global trade. By enforcing the rules, they support national prosperity. Their work helps local businesses compete fairly and ensures that our country's interests are protected in a global marketplace. Next time you travel or get a package from abroad, remember the professionals who made it possible. Their efforts make international connections safe and reliable for everyone. They're the unsung heroes of our global community, working together across borders to keep our world turning. Their dedication keeps our world safe, fair, and connected. Without them, the flow of people and goods would grind to a halt, and our daily lives would be very different. Customs officers are guardians of our borders and our future. Their commitment shapes the world we live in and the opportunities we enjoy. They truly deserve our thanks and our respect for all that they do every single day. International Customs Day isn't just a celebration. It's a day with a purpose. Each year, the WCO announces a special theme, focusing the global customs community on a key issue. These themes are like a team huddle before a big game, uniting everyone around a common goal. One year the theme might be digital transformation, encouraging new technology. Another year it could be sustainability, pushing for greener trade. Recent themes include nurturing the next generation and engaging new partners. Each theme inspires innovation and collaboration across 185 countries. It sparks new ideas and real progress. International Customs Day becomes a catalyst for positive change. It's a day to honor the past and build a better future. The power of these themes lies in their ability to unite and inspire. Together, customs agencies tackle the world's biggest trade challenges. For 2025, the WCO's theme is Customs Delivering on its Commitment to Efficiency, Security, and Prosperity. This is a three-part promise to the world. Efficiency means goods move quickly, supply chains run smoothly, and businesses thrive. Security is about stopping criminals and protecting society from illegal goods. Prosperity connects customs work to economic growth, jobs, resources, and better prices for all. The 2025 theme challenges customs agencies to excel in all three areas. It's about cutting red tape, using smart technology, and simplifying procedures. It's a commitment to being vigilant guardians at the gate. Customs is not just a regulatory body, it's an engine for growth. By fulfilling these commitments, customs helps build a more prosperous world. This theme is a call to action for every customs professional. It's a promise to deliver a safer, more efficient, and more prosperous future. Customs is no longer about paper forms and rubber stamps. Technology is transforming the field. AI scans documents, data analytics predict risks, and blockchain tracks goods securely. High-tech scanners and drones inspect cargo quickly and safely. These tools give customs officers superpowers to protect us all. But innovation isn't just about gadgets. Green customs is a growing movement, using customs to support environmental protection. This means promoting paperless trade, streamlining green tech imports, and cracking down on illegal environmental goods. Customs agencies are aligning with global environmental goals. They're building sustainable supply chains and reducing carbon footprints. By embracing digital and green practices, customs is shaping a cleaner, smarter future for trade. It's an exciting time of change and progress. No single country can manage global trade alone. Teamwork is essential. The WCO brings nations together to share information and strategies. When one country finds a solution, everyone benefits. Customs officials also partner with police, immigration, and businesses to keep trade secure and efficient. Training and support help level the playing field for all countries. This spirit of collaboration lifts the entire global community. Modern challenges like e-commerce and cyber threats require united action. By pooling resources and knowledge, customs administrations face these challenges head-on. Teamwork is the heart of the modern customs world. It's what drives progress and keeps global trade moving. The future of customs is bright, built on innovation and partnership. Customs officers will blend traditional skills with expertise in technology and environmental policy. Imagine borders where legitimate trade flows freely. Thanks to smart systems working in the background, international cooperation will remain the cornerstone of progress. Customs will play a vital role in tackling global challenges, from climate change to economic stability. The WCO will continue to foster dialogue and build consensus. The bridges built today will become the superhighways of tomorrow's progress. On International Customs Day, let's thank the professionals who keep our world moving. They're innovators, protectors, and diplomats, making borders gateways to opportunity. Together, we're building a future where trade is fair, safe, and works for everyone.